In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check recently deleted photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. On an iPhone, we are able to delete any photo or video in that simple way. Just long press on a photo you would like to delete, then tap at delete, and then delete again. That will remove it from your camera roll. However, even though the photo is no longer displayed here, it is not basically permanently deleted, because all the photos we delete from our camera roll are moved to recently deleted album. To find that album, head over to Albums, and then scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find recently deleted. All the photos you delete are moved in that album and stored there up to 30 days. After that 30 days, the photos will be automatically and permanently deleted from your iPhone and iCloud. That's where we can check our recently deleted photos, and if we would like to, let's say, recover that photos, we can open it up and then tap at recover and recover photo. That will immediately move it back to your main camera roll. However, if you would like to remove some photo from here without waiting for 30 days, just open up that photo, then tap at delete, and then delete from all devices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.